Kids in Discipleship is a faith-based ministry of the Collegedale Church that reaches the world. It is endorsed by the General Conference of Seventh-day Adventists.
Things are busy, the stresses of life are going and coming, and some of the things that make it even more stressful is when you look to your children and you see the things that they're going through, and they don't have an anchor that holds them firm. They don't know how to turn to Jesus for themselves. And if there was anything that you could do to see that they had that relationship, that they, along with you, could partner together to make it through these stressful times. If you could give them something that they could lean on, that even when you weren't there, you knew they had it, wouldn't you want them to be a part of that?
Imagine your child hearing your voice when they're making a decision, those very important decisions that come in life, and they hear your voice giving them scriptures that give them the strength that they need to make the proper decision. You wouldn't want to miss an opportunity like that. And that's what Kids in Discipleship will give you.
Or you knew that based on some Bible study that you had done, or based on their own personal time with God, they had read a scripture and they could come up to you later and go, "Mom, guess what happened in school? I had this test and I remembered to pray, and guess what?
I made 100.
I got an A. I did it. I remembered the answer." There's nothing like that. There's nothing like it.